Just do. Go. Nice. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, So how's your day?
So what was my time?
22.
22 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible.
Hey, it's okay. I would have gotten like an hour. Hey, Poon. No.
This will be run number 2. I rested it up from the last run. And this time I will be breathing through a straw. So ready?
No. Okay, yeah. Wait, I can't tell if it's focused or not. Wait, hold on. Okay, go. Alright, ready? And go! I cannot focus with that. It's so slow now. Run, Forrest, run! Ew, he dropped. Well, it's actually been 25 seconds, and he actually got 22 last time, so. So, how did it feel without the straw?
I felt pretty good without the straw. I was able to run pretty well.
But with the straw?
It really restricted my intake and outtake of oxygen and CO2, so I kind of collapsed halfway through. And yeah, it was kind of hard to run with.